In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an item as shipped on Depop, a crucial step to complete every successful transaction. Let's dive right in and make sure your sold items are accurately marked and tracked in the system. First things first, you'll want to open the Depop app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups during this process. Once the app is up and running, navigate to the bottom of your screen and locate the home icon on the right side. Tap it. This will take you to your personal space within the app where you manage everything related to your Depop shop. Now, within this page, you should see an option titled Sold Items. This section keeps track of all the items you've successfully sold to happy customers. Tap on Sold Items, and it will bring up a list of everything you've sold. Browse through and select the specific item that you have shipped and want to update. With the item page open, you'll now want to find and tap on the Mark as Shipped button. This action is essential as it not only confirms to your buyer that their package is on the way, but it also helps with tracking the shipment if you've used tracked delivery. If you haven't used tracked delivery, it's still important to use this feature to communicate clearly with your buyers. After you've tapped Mark as Shipped, a new dialog box might appear asking for tracking information. If you've chosen a tracked delivery service, this is when you'll input your tracking number. Take care to enter the number accurately, as any errors here could mislead the buyer and result in delivery confusion. If you aren't using a tracking service, simply acknowledge this step by confirming completion without entering any numbers. Once everything is confirmed, your buyer will receive a notification that their item has been shipped. This is an excellent time to also send a quick thank you message, letting them know you appreciate their purchase and any questions can be directed back to you for further assistance. This step can foster positive feedback and encourage repeat business. Now, take a moment to check back on the sold items section and verify that the item is marked as shipped. This is a good practice to ensure the transaction is correctly updated on your end. Keeping an organized system will help maintain a smooth operation for your Depop shop. And there you have it, you're all set. You've just marked an item as shipped successfully on Depop. With these steps, you can ensure every sale in your store is documented correctly, paving the way for positive seller ratings and a stellar online reputation. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!